In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification code not received. So if you are trying to reset your password, for example, on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or anything that requires a verification code, but you don't receive the verification code. So the problem for this is very easy. So you can easily fix this problem. What you want to do, guys, you want to open your settings, and after that you want to keep scrolling until you see messages. Okay, you want to just keep scrolling like you see here messages. You want to click on messages, and after that you want to turn off iMessage. As you can see here, I have turned it on. You want to turn it off and turn it on again. So I'm going to turn it off right now and check this and wait 10 seconds and turn it on again. Now I am going to turn it on. As you can see here below that, it says here waiting for activation. So now the iMessage is going to be activated to receive verification codes. But if this doesn't fix the problem, you want to scroll down a little bit and turn on send as SMS. If you don't have this turned on, you want to turn it on like this. You want to just check this and check send as SMS, because this is very important to receive a verification code. Now after you check send as SMS, you want to just keep scrolling until you see here filter unknown senders. Make sure you turn it off. A lot of people have this feature turned on. You want to turn it off. Like I said, guys, just turn it off like this. And that's exactly how you can fix this problem. Let me know in the comments if this works. Hopefully it does. Let me know in the comments, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.